Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds E and A. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the E sound in the word seam. Seam, seam. Now the A sound in the word same. Same, same. Now I will use them both in a sentence. They seem the same. They seem the same. They seem the same. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!